Welcome. If you want to get animated wallpaper, the magic fluids on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, at the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here magic fluids. We have to get this application from the Mad Sciences. There's the Magic Fluids free, so click install. And right now we can open the application, and there's the preview how it is going to look when you set it up as a wallpaper. And here when you tap click to set as live wallpaper, and here you can also change the settings. When you enter on the animated, you can change the paint quality, the simulation resolution, and also the glow light shadow quality. I think that we can go for the best, and right now just go back and click here to set as live wallpaper, and click here one more time. We can apply for the home screen and the lock screen, and right now let's check it how it looks on our okay. I think it's really cool, and I hope that you guys enjoy this wallpaper on your Note 20 Ultra. If you are wonder what kind of the launcher I have here, you have to check our other videos. It is iOS launcher, and also if you are wonder about the keyboard, we got also the other video about that. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.